Take a minute. Take you to understand this hardcore reciprocating packaging machine. Cantilever frame fuselage design of the whole machine. Rugged and durable. Full belt conveyor. Can be applied to a variety of products of different sizes. The knife holder adopts fine carving process. The cutter is controlled by the cylinder. Basically, you don't need to adjust the position of the knife. This will increase its service life. The cutter is made of materials imported from Japan, sharper and more durable. The core parts of the whole machine are imported from Taiwan. Frame design. With aviation-grade material aluminum frame, the whole machine uses 2 servos. Each module servo is individually controlled. It will be more stable. Now I'm going to show you the standby function. That is, when our products are not continuous. No material standby function. When there is no input at the back end, the material in front will stop until the incoming materials catch up, and so on. This saves on packaging materials. Secondly, there is a misalignment detection function. When a product leaves its original position, reach the detection range of the dislocation electric eye. Dislocation enabled. Realize skip cutting with cutter. It not only protects the cutter, but also increases production efficiency. 12-inch smart display. 100 sets of product settings can be stored. Truly achieve multi-purpose. Use with polylines and corners at the same time. Cam track design for angle insertion. Run more stably. The effect is more beautiful. The advantage of reciprocating packaging machines is that it can take into account different products at the same time. For high quality products, it will have more advantages. The seal is flatter. The main thing is stable and durable. It can reach the food industry and the pharmaceutical industry. This rigorous leak detection requirement. Choose 瑞普华, make every device a productivity engine.